So today we are going to speak about the Kaleido M1 Sniper or Sniper M1, okay? And here I'm going to show you a little bit what is the machine, okay? So first of all, we're going to start by the top here. Here you have the opening and closing door to let the beans enter inside the machine, okay? So what I like is the little wood decoration here. It's very fancy. I have to say this machine is really beautiful to look at. Then here we are going to have the sampling little tray. What is nice is that you have a arrow when it's pointing up. You turn it, you take your sample, you smell it, and you put it back or you watch the color, okay? Like a professional roaster. Then here you have a window, okay, that allowed you to see inside the beans and at what speed they are turning inside the drum. Here you have the opening and closing mechanism to open the beans and let them fall. And when you open it, there is two little magnets that lets the door open. Okay, so then here you have a little deposit for the beans, and it's open here in the back. Okay, it's very important because here you have a fan that is going to cool the beans when you finish the roast, and I have to say it's quite efficient. Okay, so one thing I forget to tell you, it's here you have a little basket, we can say, to collect all the chaff, all the silver skin that is going to detach from the coffee when you are roasting. Okay, so the machine is very complete and it looks like very much like a professional roaster because you can independently control the wind speed, the airflow, the heat, the amount of energy you give it, and also the drum speed. I have to say that the M1 form factor, the size, it's very convenient. On the top here, you have an handle that you can put up and down, and you can carry the machine around very easily, okay? Okay. Now, if we look a little bit at the back, here you have the USB plug, okay? You are not forced to use it because this machine has Bluetooth. We are going to show you that next. And also what is nice for the maintenance, okay? If I take the top panel here, we can see on the top, here this is the heating chamber. And then at the back, we can also take out the back panel very easily with these thumb screws, okay? And finally here, you have the exhaust pipe for the air and the smoke to go out. Here you have a board, circuit board. This is a TC4 circuit board that is open source, okay? And it's connected to the machine to transmit the temperature reading into computer signals and also take the signals from the computer to control the heat, the wind, the speed of the drum, and also put on and off for the cooling of the beans. So all the functions are controlled in this little board, and you have also here the Bluetooth capability, and this is very easy to access, I have to say. Very easy to check that everything is all right, okay? And the fan for the exhaust of the air, it's very, very powerful, I can tell you. So here I want to speak about the fashion of the machine and especially this custom panel. I'm a fan of it, it's so beautiful. This color is a gold bronze color. I want to mention that the fact that it works with Artisan, that is an open source project, will give us a very nice perspective. First, all the data that you collect with your machine, it's private. It's not shared with anybody else. Second, give us the possibility to have updates in the future. So in the future, you will be able to evolve your machine with the evolution of the software. You have the best of this open source system that even allowed you to do stocking inventory management. Of course, it's not gas, it's electric, and I will talk about that later, but the quality of construction, okay, the quality of everything assembled in this machine is top-notch. Okay, that's it.